Today we'll check out Party Hats. This is an online Web3 decentralized casino. And this is not a sponsored video. I found this project randomly when a couple of days ago I just, was looking at internet computer ecosystem and I found a token called Party. I was like, what is Party? And I'm so grateful that I found out that this exists. Now, what I want to point out, how is this different from any other online casino, right? This is important. Players play against a smart contract not controlled by a single person. When players start the game, their tokens are burnt immediately, and if they lose, these tokens remain burned. If they win, the computer mints new tokens payouts. Yeah, so burn mint. So of course, who is going to benefit from all of this? Most players basically lose. If they go to a casino, their pockets are going to be maybe empty. At least this happened to me because I had 100,000 party tokens and I lost it all. Because you just keep playing. You just cannot stop, and eventually you just lose. But so who is going to benefit from uh, if somebody loses, the token holders. Simple as that. Because if they lose their game, uh, the tokens are going to be burned. So the price will just pump. Simple as that. And in fact, if you look at this chart, this is not a bad chart at all. They're sitting at half a mil market cap, and the total value locked is very decent. Okay, so this token is tradable on ICP swap, also on CoinSwap if you want to buy it for a smaller amount. Definitely tradable on CoinSwap too. Now I'm going to show you the games a little bit. This is pre-recorded video because Party Hats, they do not support Internet Identity 2.0, so I cannot play this on my desktop, but it doesn't matter. So we'll start with this one, mines, and your job is very simple. As you can see, this is after the game, and there are 3 bombs. You can choose how many bombs there, but the higher risk, the better reward, of course. But 3 is default, and yeah. So your job is not to find a bomb, okay? Straightforward. So let's start. I will show you one game. So I bet 5,000. That's the default, and now I'm going to just uh, see what happens. I know already what happens because this is pre-recorded. That's cool, and you can cash out anytime, so that's good. Now this game is called Plinko, and a ball is going to be dropped, and it is going to like make its way into a bin here. It cannot drop here because you lose. Let's see how it works. There we go. So 1.1. I want something, you know. Okay, let's move on. Or maybe let's play one more. And here I know I'm going to lose 5,000. 5,000, that's like, yeah, 25 cents. So not a big deal. And this is blackjack. Everybody knows this game, of course. And here, guys, I don't know why I did that. I pressed double. I don't know why I did that. It's just crazy. 19 and you click double, like it happens. I don't know, like, but I would have lost anyways because he had 20. But yeah, so blackjack is there. Now here's my profile, and here you can see how much I burned already. So all this is going to reflect for the token price. Okay, so I literally just burned those tokens by losing. So the token holders are going to benefit. This this idea is amazing. because otherwise, who would benefit? The casino owner. One guy who made the casino would just benefit. He would just cash out all the losses, right? Here, it is like that, So amazing stuff. And here is my wallet, so you can deposit, party tokens, ICP, and Bob is there, also Motoko. And here you can swap. So party for ICP and vice versa, of course. Now you can also stake the token, and you stake if you buy an NFT. So amazing. They have an NFT collection. That's amazing. This is Trump, right? 6.9 ICP for Donald Trump. Cool. So you have many NFTs there. And let's wrap it up. They have their stats here. The market cap is shown here. So 10,000 party tokens, that's like 50 cents as for now. Here they have a chart, total players. Wow, so many. That's really good. So a very alive project. I do like it. It's amazing. It's good. Games are fun. Here you have more information about it. Um, so yeah, let's wrap it up. Um, like I said, not a sponsored video. I just randomly found it in ICP ecosystem. Yeah, if you wanna jump in, use my referral code, guys. It is just Peter, okay? Just Peter, okay? So use my sign up code. I will appreciate that so much. And that was Party Hats, amazing casino running on internet computer. And have a good day, guys. Bye bye.